Buongiorno paisani, how are you? Well, I have another word for you that was suggested by one of my followers, and the word is ammatula. What does ammatula mean? It means useless, or in Italian we say inutile, senza uso. How do you put in a sentence? Well, when someone's always talking and talking for nothing, you say, ma perché parli sempre ammatula? Why are you always talking for nothing? Why are you always talking uselessly? And in Italian, you say, ma sempre parli inutilmente. So that's how you say it in a sentence. That's the word ammatula. That's the Sicilian word that I want to teach you today. It's a very old word. I'm sure a lot of you haven't heard it in a long time. And so I'm happy to revive it and bring it to you and teach it to you. So if you want to say useless in Sicilian, you say ammatula. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Keep following me. Subscribe to Italiani di Montreale Amici. You can also follow me on Facebook under my name, Lia Gentile. And also, of course, on Instagram at Big Mama Siciliana. E ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.